Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying what you have and what you want. Identify the current narration voice and mark the exact sections to change. This creates surgical focus. Once done, list target tone and perspective, formal versus conversational, intimate versus distant, and collect the transcript, audio, or timestamps you'll edit. Make sure to have a style reference or sample narration that fits your goal. It's your anchor. Then set a single small test segment to modify first, so you can compare before and after. You now rewrite the chosen segment to the new voice, changing pronouns, sentence rhythm, and imagery to reflect the perspective shift. Once rewritten, record or generate the narration, using a consistent pace and marking breaths or pauses. This keeps flow natural. Then import audio and align it to the transcript or video, trimming or stretching small sections to maintain lip sync and rhythm. Make sure to smooth edits with crossfades and matching ambient levels so the change feels seamless. You finish by reviewing the entire work for continuity and tone consistency. Listen straight through and note jarring shifts. Make final audio adjustments, compression, and reverb to blend the new narration with existing ambience. If pacing feels off, perform micro-edits, shorten pauses, adjust syllable timing, or re-record small phrases. If a tone shift still stands out, revert only that line and rework wording instead of the whole track. This targeted fix usually resolves the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.